Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage email security with Mimecast step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Mimecast account. Navigate to the admin console from the home page. Once you're in the admin console, locate the email security section. Click on Policies to manage email security settings. Choose Spam Protection to configure spam filtering options. Set the desired filtering levels by adjusting the options provided. Next, proceed to Attachment Management to control attachment security. Here, you can choose whether to block certain file types or scan attachments. Move on to the URL Protect section to ensure safe browsing. Activate URL scanning to detect and block malicious links in emails. Now, go to Phishing Protection to enhance your defenses against phishing attacks. Enable the phishing detection features offered by Mimecast. After setting these options, review the user settings for individual account configurations. You can customize settings for individual users or groups as needed. To monitor effectiveness, access the Reports section. Generate reports to track email security incidents and review statistics. Regularly check the Quarantine section to review flagged emails. From here, you can release or permanently delete items in quarantine. Finally, make sure to update your email policies regularly to adapt to new threats. Always communicate with your team about any significant changes to email security protocols. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.